Hello everyone, welcome to My Lab Project channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to access Microsoft SQL Server from command prompt and also how to execute SQL on command prompt. Before that, be ensure that the Microsoft SQL Server is already installed on your computer. In my previous video, I have shown you how to install Microsoft SQL Server. If you have not seen that video, I leave that video link in the description box. Please go and check. Okay, without wasting time, let's get started. Click on Start button and type Run and press Enter. It will open this one. Here you type CMD and press Enter or click on this OK button. Now it will open this command prompt. Here you type SQL CMD and press Enter. Now it will change the prompt like this, which means you are connected to the default instance of the SQL Server. If you want to connect any named instance, you have to specify the instance name. But here I can't show you that one because presently I don't have any named instance in my SQL Server. But I will show you that command in the Microsoft documentation page. See here, this is Microsoft page. Here we have all the information about SQL CMD utility. What is SQL CMD utility? The SQL CMD utility is a command line utility. See here, we have connect to the SQL CMD utility, connecting to a default instance. This is the command. Okay, by using Windows authentication, this one. Okay, here you have to mention your computer name. So this one I will show you. Okay, first exit from this. For that, type exit and press enter. Okay, now type SQL CMD space -s and your computer name. This is my computer name and press enter. See here, now it is connected. Next one is connecting to a named instance by using Windows authentication, and this is the command. Okay, here many ways they mentioned connecting to a named instance by using Windows authentication and specifying input and output. You can refer this page. And here we have in this page we have all the information, means what is -a, what is -b and all. I leave these two Microsoft link in the description box. You can check it. Okay. Okay. To see a list of the options that are supported by the SQL CMD utility, you can run this command. What is that command? SQL CMD space -? And press enter. See here, it shows all the information. You can log in using login ID and password also. So there are different ways you can connect to SQL Server. Okay. Now I will show you how to execute any SQL command. SQL CMD. Now it is connected. For example, now I will create a one database. Okay. So for that, what is the command? Create database and database name. MyLab project is my database name. Now press enter. In order to execute this command, so now you have to type go and press enter. In order to execute any SQL command, you have to type go and press enter. Now then only it will execute SQL command. Now we will check whether this database is created or not. For that, SQL query is select name from sys databases. This command will display all the databases from my SQL server. Press enter, type go, press enter. See here, this is the database just now I have created. Now this is already there in my SQL server, all these databases. If you execute this SQL statement, it will display all the databases which is already there in your SQL server. Okay. Similarly, you can execute any command. Thank you for watching this video.